It was to remind us how bad Trump is.
Yeah, and that doesn't mean, too, that, just get ready. It's been 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the day where their distraction goes away.
Yeah, no, don't worry. They will be back long before the election to get the attack going again on Mr. Trump. Okay, last night before, I guess this is part of the Big One News Conference here, he made some comments about things before he took questions from the
He made a
reporters.
statement,
Yeah.
and then, yes.
And he talked about the economy, and there was an inflation report out yesterday, which he wanted to get some credit for, and also talking about the border. So where should we start? Inflation?
Inflation.
Okay.
Great economic report showing inflation is down. Overall prices fell last month. Core inflation is the lowest it's been in 3 years. Prices are falling for cars, appliances, and airfares. Grocery prices have fallen since the start of the year. We're going to keep working to take down corporate greed to bring those prices down further.
Corporate greed.
Corporate greed.
Yeah. This is their scapegoat here. Is the corporations, the shrinkflation, raising prices, all this corporate greed. But, this whole thing about him, he talks about inflation is down and prices are coming down.
Except
The rate of inflation is still like 3%. Nothing came down except the rate of inflation. Prices went up, right? If inflation is 3%, that means, you always see these lists of some things are up 20%, some things are up 5%, some things are up 7%,
Yes.
those kinds of things. But generally speaking, inflation is still at 3%. That's on top of all the other inflation we've had. So he makes it sound like, and they do this all the time, inflation is down, prices are coming down. No, prices are going up more slowly than when it was 9%, but they're still going up. Understood?
Well, all I have to say ask you is your life cheaper today than it was before Joe Biden came into office?
No.
And the answer is no. That's all people know. You can say inflation is down every day of the week. It is still up from before he came into office. Life is not cheaper pre-Biden than it was pre-Biden. So with that said, it doesn't matter what the inflation number is, Mr. President. People's lives cost more, and they know it, and they feel it every single day.
I guess the case that we're trying to make is when they did the American Rescue Plan, which was the first big multi-trillion-dollar bill they passed, coming out of COVID, Biden's just taking the presidency. This is the first big plan, and we're sitting here going, Mr. President, don't do anything. We've spent nothing. Donald Trump thinks it lasted for all the spending he did, but we had COVID. He wanted to get the vaccine going, and we had to. Remember, they were shutting down businesses. You couldn't go to work. States can't print money. Only the federal government can do it. So the federal government had to make a choice, and I think we both supported it. What are you going to do if you won't let people work? You're just going to have them sit in their house and starve? No. So we supported paying people not to work in that instance. Because you had to. So yeah, did Donald Trump spend money? Yeah. Because governors everywhere were shutting things down. And they wouldn't let people go to work. So yeah, Donald Trump spent a lot of money. But we said, that's enough. We don't need to spend any more. But what did the Democrats say?
No, you don't want to waste an opportunity.
Don't let a crisis go to waste.
Exactly.
Right, so they still had the COVID crisis. In 2020, at the end of Donald Trump's term, the GDP was exploding.
That's a nice sag, nice underwear. Oh.